Hello, I'm Gavin from the CS team, and today we're going to be talking about A/B testing or split testing. So, say for example, you had a couple of good ideas for a bot, you weren't sure which one your prospects would most engage with. This is a really great way of serving more than one bot to your audience to figure out which one they do like best. So, in this case, we're going to look at in-page bots that I've made. So, we've got two different types, which is client versus prospect, and how can I help you? So, the options here are we try to filter out customers versus non-customers, or we just go straight in with the how can I help you and show them all the options. So let's say we're unsure which one our prospects would most respond to and which would create better engagement. So we want to run both of those simultaneously. So what we need to do is, first of all, ensure that we have a bot slot created, which is under Conversion Kit and General Bot Settings and Dynamic Embedding. There is a video a bit more in depth about this you can also check out. So in this case, I've created one called in-page A/B test. So you can just keep adding new ones here. As we said in another video that you can look at, this is a piece of dormant code that we will assign bots to, and it will only load once we tell it that a certain bot should be loaded within that code. So it's a very light piece of code, and it would just sit on the site until it's ready to be used. To do the actual test, we'll go to A/B testing, and we'll click on Create Experiment. In this case, I'll call it in-page test. Now, just to be clear, we can only split test similar bot types, so we can't test an in-page versus a visual or an in-page versus a chat, for example. It has to be an in-page versus an in-page. So in this case, we're going to do a 50-50 split. We're going to select the bots that we want. So client versus prospect. And the second one was, how can I help you? And we want to show those 50-50, an automatic split. Of course, you can change this to suit your needs. You can add more than one here if you'd like to do 3 or 4. That's fine. The next option is to define the bot slot. So in that case, we're going to do in-page test. Of course, you can make a new one here if needed. Schedule run period will default to 30 days. So we would always recommend at least 30 days. You could do more if you would like, but you really need 30 days to get any worthwhile information. And then at the end of the experiment, we can automatically show the winning bot based on the following results. So best conversion rate, best engagement rate, or the most leads converted. So once you're happy with this, if you just click save and then code. If you haven't already added the bot slot to the site, now's a great time to do that. And once that's live, the test will start to run. In terms of the results, we'll just come back out of this. So here is one that we can look at earlier. So we click on compare results. We can see what it's tracking against. So we can see this one is compared by engagement. So we can see the triggers that it's had, how many discussions, and we can see which is the potential winner as that is unfolding. And that is that for the A/B tests.